Hello everyone. I am glad to be here at the 22nd International Conference on Hybrid Intelligence Systems to present our work entitled Recommender System for Scholarly Articles to Monitor COVID-19 Trends in Social Media based on low-cost topic modeling. As you already know, recommender systems are mainly information filtering systems that suggest content based on what is most significant to the end user. Nowadays, most recommender systems are personalized. This means that these recommender systems analyze the behavior of the end user and of other users similar to him or her to generate recommendation. However, personalization is not relevant to public health institutions, particularly in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic. In fact, health authorities need to collect data from multiple users to generate recommendations for monitoring a population. When a disease outbreak occurs, health authorities need a lot of clinical decision support. They need to predict the epidemiology of the disease based on big data. They need to identify new practices to manage the disease based on literature reviews. They need as well to find scholarly publications to fight misinformation about the pandemic. In this context, a recommender system that uses the topic modeling outputs of the social media interactions for a given population to propose scholarly publications about common trends can be a very useful tool to solve the two needs highlighted in green. And this is just what we will do in our work. Our recommender system proposes to use the latent deletion allocation-based topic modeling of the social media interactions of a given population about COVID-19 alongside the search engine of PubMed Central as an open access repository of biomedical scholarly publications to generate a list of research papers that are relevant to the audience. By relevant to the audience, we mean a set of scholarly publications that can be used to answer the concerns of the analyzed population. We begin by using Wikidata as an open and collaborative knowledge graph, as well as several machine learning APIs that are available for free to generate a COVID-19 related vocabulary that can be used to extract posts and interactions related to the pandemic from Facebook and Twitter. We collect this data and we put it in a knowledge graph. Then we will use Snow ontology, that is an ontology that aligns between different namespaces in multiple social networks. For example, it can align between tweets and posts in Facebook. It can align between shares and retweet, etc. So we will use that ontology to kind of align between posts in Facebook and tweets in Twitter, and by that we will homogenize our database and store it as an RDF knowledge graph. Later, we can use a Sparkle query to identify posts between two dates and then apply the latent deletion allocation topic modeling to them to generate a list of topics. Finally, for a given topic, we will translate the topic words using a machine translation API and then use them to formulate a query to ask PubMed Central about relevant publications related to the main concerns of the analyzed population. We mainly translate topic words prior to the formulation of the query because the social media posts in our context are mainly written in Tunisian Arabic, and to query PubMed Central, we will need to have them in English. The principle of the PubMed Central based recommendation is simple. We just take the words that are related to a given topic and we use them to formulate a query to retrieve the most relevant publications about the topic from PubMed Central. To formulate the query, we just put all the topic words separated by operators, and then we associate between the keywords and the main topic of the recommender system, that is COVID-19 in our context, using the AND operator. Relevant publications will be returned first thanks to the best match sorting method of PubMed Central. This method allows papers including multiple keywords to be sorted first, even if they are separated by OR operator. The word order does not matter in our context as well. The repetition of a word can be useful to emphasize it, and this will allow the customization of our method according to the need of the user. As a conclusion, it is noteworthy to know that personalized recommender systems are not always relevant to the context of public health. We proposed to use the outputs of the LDA-based topic modeling of the social interactions of a given population to recommend scholarly publications for local health authorities about the COVID-19 social trends. The use of free resources like Wikidata and PubMed Central can be useful to create recommender systems at a low cost to support health policy decisions in a timely basis. That's all. Well, these are some further readings that we are proposing to you in order to get into the details of our recommender system. And this is as well my email address as well as our URL if you like to ask us some questions or reach out to us. Thank you.